Oh my God, this is my favorite lunch. Okay, so we got pizza line over here. We got hot lunch over here, fries, cheeseburgers, hamburgers, chicken sandwiches, spicy chicken sandwiches. We also have sandwiches and soup. And then we have a salad bar and a fruit bar. So a meal deal includes an entree, a bread, a fruit, vegetable, and milk. You must take at least 3 food groups, with 1 being a fruit or vegetable. You will be charged a la carte prices for less than 3 items, or if you do not take a full serving of fruit or vegetable. So this is a meal deal since we have an entree, a fruit, a vegetable, and a bread. This tray is not considered a meal deal, but by adding an apple, it is. This is also a meal deal since we have a salad, a fruit, and a bread. So make sure when you're walking through the line to give big smiles and tell the cooks thank you for all the great work that they do. So now we're at the end of the lunch line where you can pick up cookies, Rice Krispies, and if you don't have a meal deal, then you will get raisins on your tray. And you enter in your code, and you tell the lunch lady your name, Corey.
Thanks, Corey.
So here we have our condiments bar where you can grab a napkin. We have these lovely cups so you don't have to spray condiments all over your tray. And we have silverware to use, and there's also a bucket for salt and pepper. So this is our a la carte line. So you can get breakfast in the morning, or you can grab a snack or drink during lunch. And our wonderful cooks are always open to suggestions.